So a lot of the stuff that we talk to clients about at the start of their projects on the outset is around what we call setting up for success, which is really a little bit about future-proofing, because ultimately we don't really know what's coming next in the world. We know that at the moment we're talking about bots and we're talking about voice-activated assistants and we're talking about experiences in the real world, but we don't really necessarily know exactly how those are going to play out over the next few years. The one thing we do know is that people will still be out there, they'll still be interacting with our brands, but the exact way they do that may well be slightly different to how they do it today. So the early stage conversations that we tend to have is trying to understand a little bit more about how our consumers are interacting with us as a company, almost breaking it down to the verbs that they're going to use when they're talking to us through whatever that medium is. We then kind of facilitate this and break it out into an API. We look at what we're going to need to do to make these experiences seamless, whether that's single sign-on, for example, so that as you move from your voice-activated assistant to your mobile phone, to your in-store experience, that the whole thing is seamless and your data goes with you. So these early stage conversations tend to lead to a bigger picture that then means that we have the core databases, we have everything in place for how those things are going to interact. That then means that we can iterate a lot quicker. And as new platforms come out, we can really make the most of them. We can facilitate faster, sharper customer experiences, and we can ultimately make the most of what it is we're providing to our clients.